This is my 1912 International Famous one-horse hit-and-miss engine. It's a pretty nice original engine. The only non-original parts on it are the nipple that goes to the muffler. There's a little pin that connects the rocker arm to the push rod. And I've currently got a grease zert in the rod bearing because the rod, what do we call it, the grease cup is beat, and I'm hoping to fix that so I can put it back on there. But other than those parts, I believe every single part on this engine to be original, or period anyway. Oh, and the cam follower is not original too, the little round part. Right in there. And believe it or not, the cam follower for a one-horse Famous is the exact same dimensions as the cam follower for a horse-and-a-half Hercules. Because that's what that's off of. I had a Parts Hercules, or Economy, or I forget what it was one of them. And that had the cam follower on it, and I figured, oh, maybe it'll work, and it did.